Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today what's gonna happen, I'm gonna show you a quick tip for all the ones who are trying to build the rotary on the budget. If you guys don't have all the tools, you guys don't have a jack stand, I'm gonna show you how you can build it up. And also I'm gonna give you a tip if you don't have anybody else, because you know, as you guys have you guys seen in any other videos, to put that one in there. And then the eccentric shaft, you're gonna need an extra rail to lift the eccentric shaft. I'm gonna show you a quick way, and simple, easy way if you don't have nobody around, so you can do it yourself and without an engine stand. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna go to Home Depot or any hardware store. You're gonna buy a bucket just like this. I believe it's a paint bucket. What is it, like 5 gallons? I guess. What we have here is the rear iron. As you see, I already marked a square in here. We're gonna cut this piece off. Why? So you can fit your hand in there. And on top, we're gonna mark the circle in there, right where the gear goes. I'm gonna mark the circle. Let me move the iron from there so you can see the markings. Okay, so we have the marking here. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect or anything like that, but that works. So we trace that one. It's only so the stationary gear fits, and also the A shaft. So this is the beginning. Your paint bucket, and let's go ahead and do that. Let me cut those pieces off. Alright, so the first hole is open. Again, it's no need to make it pretty, so if you want to make it look pretty, put some flowers on it or something, but there's no need, as long as your hand fits through here. And the next one is going to be the top one, so stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Alright, so we're back. We have the ugly square in there. Put your head or your shoe if you want. And now we have the hole on top. So now, the one we're gonna set in there is gonna be the front iron. 12A, 13B, rx8, rx7, whatever you wanna use. The front one, of course, I haven't installed the front stationary gear. You're gonna put the stationary gear, and then we're gonna have to remove this stud right here. We're gonna remove it, and we're gonna place it on top here. So let me go ahead and do that, remove this one, and set it in there so you guys can have an idea.